up, peeps? This your boy. I went back in Big Norbs. I haven't actually posted any videos, so there'll be a couple before this one, but they're all from the same store. So I went back in to cash in some tickets, and I got 5 more jumbos because I wasn't really doing anything on them. I won. I bought 10 and only got a ticket. So I went back in to get 5 more, and on ticket 100, we got the jumbo. So I'm gonna head to the house now. I'm satisfied. The itch has been scratched. Feliz Navidad to all my peoples. Happy New Year. Be safe, be smart. Hug your loved ones. New Year coming in. Let them know how you feel. Peace.